persons killed and 5 trucks torched by armed militants in Dimahasau. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host, Bon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. In a gruesome incident, 5 persons were killed after armed militants indiscriminately fired at them at Ranger Bill area under the Diangmuk police station in the Mahasau district on Thursday night. The militants also torched 5 trucks which were carrying coal and clinkers. According to a driver who managed to escape along with his helper, the incident took place at around 8 p.m. in which a group of armed men signaled them to stop and then indiscriminately fired upon them. While narrating the incident, the driver along with one helper escaped the incident said that they immediately fled upon hearing gunshots. The armed militants also torched all 5 trucks after firing at the truck drivers and their associates.
কাইলৈ আহি আছো মোক সিগনেল মাৰিছিলে সিগনেল মাৰাৰ লগতে লগতে মই গাড়ীখন ৰখাইছো তাৰ পৰা এটা ফায়াৰিং কৰিলে ফায়াৰিং কৰাৰ লগতে মই মোৰ হেল্পাৰটো লৈ মই পলাই গুচি গলো দূৰৰ পৰা দেখি আছো হেতে পুৰা গুলাগুলি চলি আছে আৰু
তোমাৰ গাড়ী কোনখন এতিয়া
মোৰ গাড়ী এখন হয় 12 চকা 7586
এখনে গাড়ী আছিল
হয় এখনে গাড়ী আছিল মোৰ
কেইটামান বজাত তোমালোকে আহি আছিল
ৰাতি 8টা বজাত
ইয়াত আহি পাইছিলা
হয় ইয়াত আহি পালো 8টা বজাত আৰু
সিগনেল দিছে
মোক সিগনেল মাৰিলে মই গাড়ীখন ৰখালো আৰু
বহুত মানুহ দেখাইছে নি গাড়ী লাইটৰ পোহৰ কিবা দেখা পাইছা নেকি
সিহঁতো আছিল বহুত মানুহ আছিল সিহঁত ইয়াতে আছিল
ঘটনাটো হৈছে যে আমাৰ উমৰাংচু লংকাৰ পৰা গাড়ী চলা গাড়ী হয় আৰু 1 নম্বৰ গাড়ীটো হ'ল বলাবাবুৰ গাড়ী মণিপুৰী ড্ৰাইভাৰ হয় মণিপুৰী ড্ৰাইভাৰজনৰ নাম হ'ল বিপ্লৱ সিং 2411 নম্বৰ গাড়ী 2 নম্বৰটো হ'ল আকজৰ ফজুৰ ৰহমানৰ গাড়ী লংকাৰ মালিক হয় এইটো ড্ৰাইভাৰৰ নাম হ'ল আকজৰ আলী 3 নম্বৰটো হ'ল সিকান্দাৰ আলী এইটো লংকাৰ গাড়ী হয় 4 নম্বৰটো হ'ল গৌৰ বঙালী মালিকৰ লংকাৰ হয় আমাৰ লংকাৰী মানুহ আৰু 5 নম্বৰটো হ'ল লংকা উদালিৰ গাড়ী ড্ৰাইভাৰটো আলী কিবা নাম আছিলে সি গুলি খাই বৰ্তমান চিভিলত আছে
The deceased victims have later been identified as Biplab Singh, Fauji Rehman, Asghar Ali, Sikandar Ali and Gaur Ghosh, while 2 persons who received bullet injuries have been sent to Lanka Civil Hospital for treatment. While speaking to reporters, Dimahasau SP Jayant Singh stated that the horrific incident was carried out by suspected Dimasa National Liberation Army cadres, but stated that investigation is underway, but so far no one has claimed responsibility for the attack that has claimed lives of 5 innocent persons on Thursday night. The SP also informed that operation has also been launched and are making all efforts to nab the culprits involved in the incident.
મને તો ઘટના હોય છે અને એઝ પર ધ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ફ્રોમ ગ્રાઉન્ડ 5 કોણ માનવું આવે છે 5 કોણ માનવું એ તો ઘટના અંજામ દી છે আৰু મેક્સિમમ સસ્પિશન আমার ডিএনএল নামৰ গ্রুপ আছে মেক্সিমাম সসপিশন ইয়ার উপর আছে
এটা আমাদের ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলি আছে না
অপারেশন চলি আছে আমি আসাম রাইফলৰ সহযোগ পাই আছো
ইতিমধ্যে যি মৃতদেহ উদ্ধাৰ হৈছে 5 জনকৈ লোকৰ তেওঁলোকক চিনাক্ত কৰা হৈছে নেকি
ইয়াৰ মানে কাৰৱাই যেটো আছে লিগ্যাল কাৰৱাই চলি আছে এতিয়া মানে ৰিট্ৰিভ হৈছে সবে ডেড বডিজ
Suraj Barman's report from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. The All Assam Jatiyabadi Yuva Chatra Parishad Karbi Anglong District Committee had on Thursday organized condolence meeting to pray for the soul of Nandita Saikia, who lost her life after she was attacked by her estranged lover. The meeting was held at around 6 p.m. in the evening. The meeting was held under the initiative of AJYCP KADC advisor Horen Ingti and President Jitu Phukon. Many of its members attended the meet and paid floral tribute to the deceased girl. Nandita was killed by her estranged lover Ringtu Sarma of Dhemaji after he attacked her with a machete. Another girl who is a close friend of Nandita was also injured in the attack and is still undergoing treatment. In a press statement held after the condolence program, AJYCP KADC Jitu Phukon strongly condemned the killing and the attack. On behalf of the organization, he had demanded the law and order body to take strong action against the culprit. He urged Assam CM Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma to bring in a strong law for prevention of crimes against women. Assam ranks 5th in the nation in the most numbers of crimes against women. Even though there are laws and rules to protect and safeguard the females, crimes are still on the rise. Seeing this, the AJYCP stated that instead of concentrating in protection of cows, the Assam government should give more emphasis on protection of girls. The organization asserted that if there is no safety of women and girls, all schemes launched for the development will turn into a mockery. Anand Terang from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee and Regional Party Autonomous State Demand Committee has urged upon the people of the border areas to maintain peace and harmony in the tense area. The appeal was made through a joint press conference held at Pelangpi on Friday. The joint press conference of two political parties on Block 1 and Block 2 issue were led by WKA-DCC spokesman Rensing Bay and Secretary Satra Singh Teron, while ASDC party was represented by member Sarsing Ingling and Hamran District Committee Secretary Binda Teron. During the press conference, ASDC member Sarsing Ingling blamed the BJP-led Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council leaders, CM, EMs, MACs, MP and MLAs for the volatile situation, charging them for constantly sidelining the border issues despite numerous incidents of encroachment and threats to villagers from the neighboring state were reported several times in the past. The regional party also dismissed the news report of opposition party members joining BJP at Donka R2 meeting, claiming that those people were all old BJP members. WKA-DCC spokesman Rensing Bay has also severely criticized the BJP-led KAC leaders, charging them on not at all concerned about the development and security of the people living in border areas.
Kena ala ningkan lasu Karbi Anglong na pen meghoi atu ya hoi long pusitami dak chomang Karbi langlu ma Nepali kedo ala khek musabida in samjit si kedo ke thak sidame non BJP sarkar jasemet Himonto Biswa Sharma Assam Chief Minister nageman pen dak Karbi Anglong na pen Meghalaya atu ya hoi long kedo arada tumangbong isi pache honde seroi kapache lang seleji aphan alang tum arlor lo pen acha ka isia conspiracy la something claim pon dulo silatum block 1 and block 2 po men pen da disputed area ko alang itum puthusi a hoi lo solu so da gisa tomon ka pawang ji panalang itum asu abidi lang ke claim ke do joine si uthok ke dam tang taring ko ra pli taring ko ra pho taring ko ra throk an pen pinian bustami pini taring ko ra throksi lo la song bong sambi adu ya hoi long ke do ara tumba ke do ke thak aning sam se suluk sodak ka phiri la son pe si donang ko sidale tu pui ba gala heno la ke state government la pen ke BJP sarkar tum kachari ke chok che a job la pen BJP sarkar tum jasemet kheso atmang ko ka pachar ho ji phan la pen ke pache lang selet la so isa tomon kapa doji ban selang itu la bang so adu ya hoi lang ke uthori si disputed pu ban ke wan thu la pen so give and take alam tar so posilatum kaninji pusni to in pen jomang ko athi bange chief minister me thamat pulo je Nagaland Arunachal mate ke Mizoram phada mela tum longli chi munisita pipe pudela phit Karbi Anglong longli bai ko pi bose de Meghalaya phan ki pi thujia kam la tum aru pen claim det la helo litum pini Assam sarkar BJP sarkar phan thedung ise karju hini bange nilitum ningdu la bange la helo non dak Karbi Anglong kachari a sarkar ladak lokela MLA tum lokela MP tum pusitami pinian ta ha July che tu taring ko ra pli Assam Chief Minister la dan Meghalaya Chief Minister tum chingwai dera phi la bangso give and take wala pan dak that pen block 1 and block 2 Meghalaya pan PG program ke claim pan ching that pen pinian pusitami daga MP daga MLA daga CM tum pinian da et heda la so puthak ka kham khielam na tum ninje dun delang et amunit susuri hini ave amulit surihini ave la pelitum thegla on la bangsu council team tum kedam la tum desi gari hum khokke bagdu asila ihum humagari longyo sila tum bang phoche thapana hum khokke thadaksi haru thombang le roji jong se halada ka che tong adu ga ve penda ko jong si bang haru si bak si do kulutang te lage council tum bang surihini ara SDC la pen congress EPSL sera do BJP long ka phe pa obdun pugela ka chopai bi nongalam lo la pen Atumi sorkale da khiruni sareli long kala tumnon ba nije nang ko tabare ka phire bang chenga do la tumnon na BJP sarkar tum ba ASDC pen Congress chingrum lo la tum mane clever petpo la so bosi BJP ba gerem vek po pula tum theglong do la so bosi par si sareli long ta la haya alliance pe de ben ke phire je kam ave da ke BJP tum si haji so la tumnon pe nije pon kom la bange ka phire ya jok se la tum nije nang ko tum ASDC pen Congress ka chingrum pulo geloge bange BJP hem tunalong mane sa chiklivang dutlo BJP hem kiru ponom la si la so melur ke me prang le la melur ku kar kun plum da ti so la khasi ka phire phone be non be si ani se pang tang phan lage la tun ka prosar ta ka alam chat lage jo ga suri hini arata BJP long dunde ka hata nirtu bima report ke long ke inur bahini BJP ke join dun do la bange sita BJP है तुम सबको BJP का से join दूँ लगे ताकि मांगू नहीं सिरा तुम ता मांगू के दर्जी पासली तुम जिनका पचीनी फोन
The SDC Central Committee also issued press statement through its President Chandrakanta Terang and Assistant General Secretary Sanjay Kiling, urging upon the Assam and Meghalaya government not to play with the blood and lives of the people of West Karbi Anglong district in the name of boundary issue. The regional party stated that Karbis and Khasis have been coexisting in peace and harmony since time immemorial, even before the creation of Meghalaya. The regional party also asserted that the boundary demarcated in 1951 is still the constitutional boundary of the twin hill districts of Karbi Anglong. The party also reminded that they, along with KSA and KNCA, had submitted joint representation to the Chief Minister on August 17, requesting him to deal with the border issues it was having with both Meghalaya and Nagaland. The party also reminded that they had earlier submitted a memorandum to the Assam Governor on December 3, 2019 on the same issue, but no step has been taken on the matter. The party concluded their press note urging Assam Governor and Chief Minister to appropriately deal with the matter based on interstate boundary demarcated on April 13, 1951. Mohan Teron from Pelangpi and Bikram Crow from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.